Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create these animations. It's actually super simple. First you're just going to get the image of something round, of course, and then I'm just going to put it here, and I'm also going to adjust the photo as well. And to have this like moving rotation animation, you're just going to add a keyframe here, and you're going to add a keyframe like maybe at the end or like in the middle. It's up to you where you want it. Then I'm going to move the photo, and I'm going to rotate it. If you rotate it a lot of times, it's going to move faster, but if you only rotate it like a few times, it's going to go a little bit slower, like so. If you want the kind of bounce effect, you are just going to get your photo and you're going to like add a keyframe starting from up here, and then here you're going to kind of like drop the image, and you're just going to start moving it up and down. You don't want it too close together though. It's going to create like a really fast bounce effect, but you don't want it to be too slow either, that it creates like something weird. So we're just going to adjust it to your liking, by the way. So yeah, that is, as you can see, this one's pretty slow, so it doesn't look natural. But if you have the keyframes closer to each other like this one, it's going to create a more natural look, I guess. So let's just go back and kind of fix it. So let's make it fall like here, and then okay, I think that's a little bit too close. I don't know. Like so. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Okay, that was too fast. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!